Cleaning your Ninja air fryer after every use is just as easy as cooking in it. After cooking and removing your food, the air fry basket and crisper plate will be hot. Unplug and let the unit cool, or for immediate cleaning, remove the basket with the crisper plate and run under cold water to cool down before removing the crisper plate. The air fry basket, crisper plate, and any other accessories can be washed in the dishwasher. Do not immerse the main unit in water or place it in the dishwasher. If you prefer to wash by hand, the air fry basket and crisper plate are ceramic coated, PTFE, PFOA free, and non-stick for quick and easy cleaning. We recommend using soft sponges to prevent scratching during cleaning. If food residue is stuck on the air fry basket or crisper plate, place them in a sink with warm, soapy water and allow to soak. To clean the main unit and the control panel, simply wipe down with a damp cloth. Clean the heating element with a non-abrasive cleaning brush to remove any remaining food residue. It is recommended to clean the heating element as needed. Once the heating element is cool, wipe with a damp cloth or paper towel. Your Ninja air fryer is now clean and ready for use. Visit ninjakitchen.com for delicious recipe ideas to get started.